Good morning, Frazier here with Elegant Auto Sales. Today I'm going to be doing a walk around of this 2010 Ford Explorer Sport Trac. We're going to do the outside, we'll do the inside condition and features. I'll pop the hood, let you take a look at the engine. We'll turn it over, let you see the dash and all the lights. Then we'll go back to the engine so you can hear how it sounds. But first I'm just going to get outside condition, whatever features there may be. Then we'll get to the inside here in just a moment. Trying to get both angles for you as well so you can see condition for yourself. Big reason why we love doing these videos. It saves a bunch of time on both sides and you have a really good idea of what you're coming in to look at. But as you can see, it has a roof rack, running boards, the shell, tow pack, backup sensors, backup camera. Get back here for you. Bed liner. So let me focus this in here. Bed liner with the fold out there. Again, just getting both angles here for you so you can see condition. This is a great little rig. I think this might be the limited. It has all the options, the leather, the Navi, all of that, but we'll get to that here in just a second. But as you can see, no dents, no dings, no major scratches. This is in really good condition. The fog lights, sunroof. Alright, let's get to the inside condition and features. Sorry about that, folks. The sun really kills these video walkarounds, focusing wise. Power windows, power locks, power seat. Let's get the condition of the leather here. A little bit of wear getting it out on the driver's side. This just came out of the shop. Believe it or not, it still needs to be detailed. I'm sure they're probably going to be do some cosmetic things to it still. So please keep that in mind. You can just give me a call or a text, and I can give you a send over some photos, whatnot. Let's see here. Let's get the back seat here. Rear air. Alright, let's get some features up front. Kind of block out this glare here. Sorry about that. You got the steering wheel controls. The media center again, navigation, backup camera, all of that. Pedal adjusters, seat warmers, all of that. The Microsoft Sync. And then it does have a built-in radar detector up there up top. Please keep that in mind. And then again, sunroof up there. Let's take a look underneath the hood before we turn it over. Alright guys, now I say this in my videos all the time. I am far from mechanically inclined, but I do like getting this in here the best I can for you. Chances are, if you're looking at this one, you've looked at a few others, so you have an idea of what you're looking for. Just want to get it in there a little bit for you. Now all of our vehicles, they do get plugged in, diagnosed, safety inspected, all of those things, so please keep that in mind. You know, and I always encourage anybody to check out our Better Business Bureau, Google reviews. We hold an A+ with Better Business, and well, our Google reviews speak for themselves. But as you can see, there's a mileage there. No checking engine lights, nothing like that. There's a navigation, stereo, all of that there. Here, let me find the reverse so you can get a backup camera. Yeah, really good shape. popular little truck. You can see there it is, humming along beautifully. Hopefully this helps answer some questions. If there's anything I may have missed, or you'd like me to come out, take photos, shoot another video walk around, whatever I can do to help, I am happy to do it. Just give me a text or a call. I want to say thank you for your time and consideration, and hopefully we can earn your business. Enjoy your day.